Omnistrate is a developer framework that helps you build your own distribution channel in days, not years. There are many types of distribution channels from SaaS, BYOC, on-prem, PaaS, to even agent as a service. You can start with the artifacts you already have, such as container image, Docker Compose, Helm, Operator, Customize, Terraform, or even just an idea. Omnistrate uses these familiar formats to define your platform with no changes required to your existing artifacts. In this demo, we'll show how to transform Supabase, the popular open-source backend with Postgres, auth, storage, and real-time APIs, into fully managed PaaS and BYOC offerings using the Claude AI agent integrated with Omnistrate's MCP server. We'll start by setting up the Omnistrate CLI. First, let's install the Omnistrate CLI. We could install it using binaries or use Homebrew. In this demo, I am using Homebrew to install Omnistrate CLI. Once installation is complete, we'll verify it by checking its version to confirm the CLI is properly installed and accessible from the command line. Next, we'll authenticate with the Omnistrate platform by logging in with the CLI. Enter your credentials to establish a secure connection with the Omnistrate platform. After setting up Omnistrate MCP server to work with Claude Code, we'll switch to the Claude Code interface, navigate to the Supabase repository, and ask Claude to build a PaaS offering. Claude begins by scanning the Supabase repository to understand its structure and detects Docker Compose file. Claude then analyzes the Compose file, and then it uses Omnistrate's FD skill to automatically onboard Supabase as a PaaS offering. Behind the scenes, Claude executes Omnistrate CTL commands to describe configurations and build Omnistrate-specific Compose definition. Finally, it builds and deploys the Supabase platform, creating PaaS offering complete with a deployment portal for instance management and customer access. To expand the distribution channels, let's add a BYOC option by asking Claude to create an offering that deploys in my customer's account. Claude updates the Compose file to enable BYOC support. Finally, it creates a separate BYOC offering across environments, generating portal URL to access these. Now we have both distribution channels available. Customers can choose between our hosted PaaS solution or deploy directly into their own AWS, GCP, or Azure accounts. Let's see how a customer signs in and deploys Supabase in just a few clicks. Your customers log in to a fully branded self-service portal where they can onboard themselves, explore subscription options, and deploy your app in just a few clicks. They can customize deployments by choosing the cloud, region, and network settings that suit their needs. All the heavy lifting from provisioning and scaling to upgrades and operations is handled automatically by Omnistrate, giving your customers a smooth, hassle-free experience. You can also add deployment parameters for your customers to customize their deployments. To learn more, or if you want to see it in action, visit omnistrate.cloud or simply request a demo. We'd love to show you what's possible.